Hello everyone, welcome to another year of RCX. These are the videos that will go over the mission objects for the Dinosaur World Rescue Challenge. I'm going to show you all the mission objects, so coaches, here we go. The set will include the boulder, it will include the Brachiosaurus, it will include the bridge, it will include the cedar tree, the egg, the touch penalty, which has 5 rocks to it, the paleontologist, the palm tree, the pink flower, the poisonous flower, the experiment, and these arms will start in the upright position. The fence, there's 2 of them. The professor, the pterodactyl nest, the rock face, 2 tires, a toolbox, the T-Rex, 2 baby triceratops, the volcano arm, or I should call it the volcano debris arm, the debris for the arm, and the water lilies. The set also includes 1 mat and 40 inches of dual lock for you to attach different mission objects to the mat. And that consists of the mission objects for the Dinosaur World Rescue Challenge.